Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. um as usual, we'll be doing a top-down analysis from the monthly time frame to the hourly time frame, and we'll be analyzing Gbpjpy right now. So since we're still in the middle of the month, I think it's better to just start from the weekly time frame. So what do we have? We said earlier that this zone is a very strong zone, and we also said that price was going to approach this price 195 thereabout. We can see that it went bullish but reversed midway. So let's see what this is about. Yes, price is reacting, and this is a previous resistance zone, although there's a sign of weakness here, so it's actually possible for price to reverse from here. If you look closely, there's a little bit of a fair value gap here, which I think price has filled already anyways. But the point is, this region is a strong region here. This zone is a strong zone, and now we have the armor, the inverse armor right here, and this suggests that we are bearish, right? In as much as we're in a strong zone, and this is also a resistance zone, which price broke to the upside, did a little bit of retest, tried to go higher but kind of failed, right? So we can say that price has failed to go higher at this point. But then let's see what other information the daily time frame gives us. So we're heading to the daily time frame, and what we have on the daily time frame is pretty much similar to what we have on the weekly time frame. This used to be our resistance zone, which price broke, retested, bought, retested, bought, so it looks like price has been struggling around here, right? So price actually tried to sell again, but it failed. It went higher. So the question is, would it reverse from here, or would it sell further? Now with these two candles, these two strong bearish candles, this is telling us that we're actually bearish for now, right? So at least this this price 188,932, right? So now that we are aware that we are currently in a bearish trend, even though it looks like price is going to struggle a lot, we're currently in a bearish trend, a short bearish trend, okay? Because we're not sure what price is going to do around here, if price is going to respect this zone and push higher, or if price is going to break it and start to actually sell for real. So what we have to work with right now is this region. But now that price has suggested that we're selling, we're bearish, we need to follow that for the week, right? So I think that's that for the daily time frame. Let's dive down to the 4 hours time frame. So I think the story is still the same. The story is still the same. So price tried to sell but couldn't sell. It broke structure, it went all the way up. It's trying to sell but struggling. Okay, since this area was a previous resistance area, I feel like it's possible that price actually buys up to somewhere around here. It's possible that price buys for like the short term there'll be like a short buy to this region or thereabout, then price will most likely sell, because it's actually not possible for price to just sell all the way down. There will be retests, right? So I think before you actually take your sell, you need to wait for price to do its thing. You need to wait for price to come all the way here, get your confirmation right, and then enter for a sell to this region. I mean, if you check in our previous video, we said that we were expecting price to come to this region, right, to retest this region before we go for buys, for buys. So we need to now be watchful. We would look out for what price wants to do. If price would come here, and then we can enter for a sell around here to this point, right, to this area, you get me? Then we would now wait for what price wants to do around here. If it wants to break this region, once it breaks this region, we are in for a long sell. But if it doesn't, we'll continue with our buy analysis, right, our buy bias. So I think that's it for now. Let's check the 1 hour time frame. Yeah, still pretty much the same thing, right? Still pretty much the same thing. So we just need to wait to see what price wants to do, really. If price is going to continue to buy, like if it's going to change character, buy to this region, okay. And once we get our confirmation around here, okay, once we get our confirmation around here, we'll look for sales down to this region and see what price wants to do afterwards. So if I was to put my setup anywhere, it's going to be here, because I intend to see what price really wants to do. This would be it for me, right? Because price is currently in the middle of nowhere, so you can't really say. So we need to see if price comes to this region. Actually, this region, yes, this is perfect. So we need to see what price does. If it comes here, then we enter for shorts after confirmation to this point, or we wait for price to sell down here, we wait for our confirmation, and then we buy, right? So I think that's it for GJ for this week. Thank you. Please do not forget to like, subscribe, share, and comment. Thank you. Bye.